Hold on tight, these bikes are about to blow your mind. First up, the Dodge Tomahawk. 4 wheels, a V10 engine, and a top speed that's rumored to hit 350 miles per hour. Insane, right? But let's not forget the Suzuki Hayabusa, an icon that can push past 190 miles per hour and still be smooth as butter. Then there's the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, pure track fury, topping 240 miles per hour with a supercharged roar that'll leave your ears ringing. And for the real adrenaline junkies, the Lightning LS 218, fully electric, no limits, just pure torque, 218 miles per hour, and it's as silent as a whisper until you're flying by. These motorcycles aren't just machines, they're dreams on wheels, pushing the limits of what's possible. Which one would you dare to ride? Hit like if you're a speed freak and let me know your dream bike in the comments. Stay safe, ride fast, but not too fast.